What's up, you guys? My name is Kelvin, and my goal here is to help you build a successful YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how I make every single one of my thumbnails. And that's a token of appreciation. All I ask from you is that you share and like this video. So the first step when making a YouTube thumbnail is going to be choosing your background. So I'm gonna go with this one here as an example. Click on Save Image As, and I'll call this Blue BK. Okay, now that I have my background, this is the website that I use for making all of my thumbnails. And I do have a membership with Pixel Art. It's only like $8 a month, but you will not need one. Everything I'm going to show you today, you can do for free. So let's get started. First, we're going to open our background image. Now, the second step is going to be getting this image to the appropriate size. And this is what's called the aspect ratio of the image. So we're going to change it right here on layout and template. We're going to resize page scale, then disable constraint proportions. And the size that I usually do is 1920 by 1080. So I'm gonna apply this size. And now that my background is ready, I am going to save this image. I'm going to call this Blue BK 1920 1080 so that I know I have already sized it properly. Now, once again, I will take my new image, my new background, which now has a different size, and I'm gonna open this file here again. Okay, so now that the thumbnail's background is ready, the next step would be to find other images and photos that you would like to overlay on top of this background. So you go to add element / image, add media up here, and I'm going to choose a file from my computer. So let's take this YouTube logo as an example. And this is pretty much how you make a thumbnail. You can add text as well over here, add new text. Here you can choose the letter type, the color, the size, the opacity, line spacing, letter spacing, alignment, just anything having to do with the text. Now, on my next video, I will show you guys how to remove the background from any picture or photo, because for example, this YouTube logo right here is in PNG format, which means that it has a clear background. And that's how I can paste this YouTube logo on top of my background. If you guys enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you later.